A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is your English language class and we are going to start a new topic today, which is adjectives. Okay? Children, what do we mean by adjectives? The word that describes the quality of a noun or a pronoun is called the adjective. This means that a word which tells us more about a noun or a pronoun is an adjective, children. Okay? You remember what nouns are? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And a pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. Okay? So, the words which tells us more about a noun or a pronoun is called the adjective. Let us see some examples here, children. Jane is a clever girl. Now here, children, the word clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. It is telling us more about this girl, Jane. So clever is an adjective, alright, and Jane is a noun, children. Yes? Okay, we are going to see some more examples. Beautiful flower. Children, flower is a noun and this word beautiful is telling us more about the flower. So here, beautiful is an adjective. Similarly, big house. House is a noun and this word big is telling us more about the house, which is big. Big is an adjective. Okay? Now, children, we are going to see some types of adjectives. We are going to learn about adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, and demonstrative adjectives in grade 3. These 4 adjectives we learn in grade 3, and in grade 4 you will learn interrogative and possessive adjectives more. That means 2 more adjectives. In grade 3 there are 4. Okay, so we are going to begin with adjectives of quality, children. Adjectives of quality. The adjectives which show the kind or quality of a person or thing are called adjectives of quality. Okay, like London is a large city. Here city is a thing, it's a place, and large is an adjective which is telling us about the kind of city, right? So here large is adjectives of quality. He is an honest man, children. Honest is the word which is telling us more about the person, this noun, man. It is telling us about the quality of the man, honest. Honest is adjectives of quality. The foolish crow tried to sing. The quality of a crow is foolish. Okay? So the adjectives which gives or it tells us about the kind or quality of a noun, that is adjectives of quality, children. Okay? Adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind or what kind of. Okay? Kind, quality. Is that okay? Now, let us see adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity show how much of a thing is meant. How much. Children, please remember, in adjectives of quantity, it tells us, these adjectives tells us the quantity of a noun which is uncountable, which you cannot count. Okay? And it answers the question how much. Much we use for the nouns which we cannot count. Okay? Let us see the first example. I ate some rice. Children, some is adjectives of quantity. It is telling us about the noun rice. Rice is a noun which is uncountable, children. We cannot count rice, right? He has little intelligence. You cannot count intelligence also. Intelligence is also an uncountable noun, right? Little is the adjective which is telling us about an uncountable noun, intelligence. He showed much patience. Patience is a noun which cannot be counted. So much is an adjective which is telling us about an uncountable noun, patience. He has lost all his wealth. Here wealth is the noun And all is an adjective which is telling us about an uncountable noun, wealth. Alright children? This is the difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Alright? Let us see some more examples of adjectives of quantity. Please remember children, adjectives of quantity, these are those adjectives which tell us about the nouns which cannot be counted. Okay, those nouns cannot be counted. Like there is much water in the jug. Water is a noun. This adjective much is telling us about water. Water is a noun which cannot be counted. There is little water in the jug. Again, water is the noun which cannot be counted, and little is an adjective. Similarly, all these examples in front of you on the screen are examples of quantity. Okay, these are adjectives of quantity, because here the noun is water. In all the sentences, the noun is water, and you cannot count water, children. Alright? So much, little, a little, no, some, sufficient, enough. All these adjectives in these sentences are adjectives of quantity. Okay? Let us quickly see adjectives of quality and quantity from our book. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. Adjectives of quality. Arvind is an expert driver. This is an excellent book. My father has an old car. The rose is a beautiful flower. She is a very popular actress. In these sentences, the words expert, excellent, old, beautiful and popular are adjectives. They describe qualities of persons or things. So adjectives which tell us what kind of a person or thing are called adjectives of quality. Now adjectives of quantity, children. There is some tea in the flask. There is much water in the bucket. There is enough food for the guest. They did not have any money. They have lost all their wealth. So tea, water, food, money, wealth, all these are nouns here which cannot be counted. Money is said in a reference where you cannot count it. They did not have any money. So all these adjectives, some, much, enough, any, all, here shows adjectives of quantity. Now let us see adjectives of number, children. An adjective used to talk about the number of things or person is known as adjective of number. Children, here person is also there, and adjectives, these adjectives are used for countable nouns. Okay, the nouns which can be counted. And they answer the question how many. I met her several times. You can count these times. So it is several. We have 2 hands. Hands can be counted, right? It is a countable noun. So several and 2 here shows adjective of number. Let us see more examples from the book. Few students are present in the classroom. There are 20 trees in this garden. Many people came to see the fair. There are no books in this bookshelf. Some boys are playing cricket. Here children, few, 20, many, no and some. These show adjectives of number because these adjectives are used for nouns which can be counted. Like in the first sentence, students, you can count students, you can count trees, you can count people, you can count books, you can count boys. These are countable nouns, and hence the adjectives which are used for these countable nouns are adjectives of number. An adjective that tells us how many persons or things are indicated is called adjective of number. So children, this is the difference between adjectives of number and adjectives of quantity. In adjectives of quantity, the nouns are uncountable, and in adjectives of number, the nouns are countable. Okay? Alright children, we will discuss it more in the class. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.